Boston bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev has apologized to his victims in a federal court hearing where he was formally sentenced to death. "I am sorry for the lives I have taken, for the suffering that I have caused you," he told the injured and bereaved. Earlier on Wednesday, he remained impassive as victims lined up in court to condemn his cowardly actions. Tsarnaev and his brother killed 4 and injured 264 when they bombed the finish line of the marathon in 2013. His older brother later died and Tsarnaev was sentenced to death last month, but he was formally sentenced by the judge on Wednesday. In his first statements since the start of the trial, the 21-year-old said he listened to all the victims' testimony and noted survivors' strength, patience and dignity. He thanked Allah and his lawyers. But speaking outside the court following the sentencing, victim Lynn Julian said Tsarnaev's apology was hollow and insincere and that her sense of security is forever changed. "I regret ever wanting to hear him speak," she said. He showed no remorse. Henry Burgard, who was walking home from work at the time of the bombing, said he forgives Tsarnaev. "To hear he is sorry is enough for me. I hope he was genuine. I have no way of knowing that." Before Tsarnaev spoke in court, several of the injured and bereaved used what was the first opportunity for them to make public their feelings. Ed Fucarell, the father of Mark, who lost his right leg, said, "The first time I saw you in this courtroom, you were smirking at all the victims for your unspeakable cowardly act. You don't seem to be smirking today." The sister of Sean Collier, a police officer killed by the brothers in a shootout, called Tsarnaev a leech abusing the privilege of American freedom. Bill Richard, father of 8-year-old Martin Richard, the youngest victim, said Tsarnaev could have stopped his brother on the morning of the attack. "He chose hate. He chose destruction. He chose death. This is all on him." 17 people who lost legs in the attack were present in court. Many said they feared they were going to die. It could be years until Tsarnaev's legal process is finished. Death penalty sentences in the U.S. often take years to carry out, and there will be an appeal.